What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2022 BMW 7 Series. So like I said, it's a 22 7 Series in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So we're going to take a look at how to remote start the vehicle using the key fob. But before we do that, we need to make sure that the remote start feature is turned on. So taking a look at our center screen, the first thing we want to do is go to the home menu in the upper left hand corner. And then from here, I'm going to click the car menu. From this screen, I'm going to click settings. And then I'm going to scroll over on the bottom until we can see climate control. Click on that. From climate control, I'm going to click the preconditioning ventilation. And then you can see the remote engine start is highlighted here. And then over here, you just want to make sure you see that red check mark next to starting engine for climate control. If yours is not checked, go ahead and click on that. Once we have that activated, then we'll take a look at how to actually use the remote start from our key fob. In order to use the remote start, what we're going to do is press the lock button 3 times quickly. And the vehicle responds by flashing its lights and then starting. If we want to turn the vehicle off, cancel the remote start before we've gotten in it, we'll press the lock button 3 times again quickly. And that will turn the vehicle off. So now let's go ahead and remote start it again. And the vehicle will run for about 15 minutes before automatically turning itself off if we don't get in. In order to drive as normal, what we need to do is get in the vehicle, and then just as you normally would, press the brake in and press the stop start button. And now we are ready to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.